Hi, and welcome to the Manychat automation part. So this is going to be quite short. I'm going to give you the templates that I'm using for my products. Let's go. So firstly, this is Manychat. This is the first page that you'll be seeing once you reach here. If you go to automations, you can create a new automation, and from there it will guide you if you want an auto DM link. So when someone posts something in your content and then you reply under the comment that they did, and afterwards you go into their DMs and you send something, or you generate leads with stories. I got them already done. I'm just going to walk you through them so that you understand them a lot better and you understand what's happening. So firstly, this is the story. So it's applied for stories. What happens is user replies to your story. I may go into the color manual and so firstly, user replies to all stories regardless, because you don't want to duplicate this. You just want to use one and set a keyword and then do the changes only in one rather than editing on top of it. So what you do firstly is set the automation so that you would have user replies to all of the stories, regardless what story you're posting. You pick a keyword, and then from there, it will trigger a DM. We're gonna say, hey, Instagram name, Instagram username. I'm really glad you're interested in this product that you'll be selling. By the way, this is a paid product. You want to say it up front. You don't want people to think that it's free and then they're reaching your website and then they're seeing it's not free and then they're leaving. This impacts your conversion rate because they came to your website where you're going to sell something, but they came with the wrong mentality. So you don't want that. You want to tell them, specifically if it's a product that is under $100, I usually recommend saying from the start, say the price. What are you going to charge? Is it $20? Is it 20 euros? And if it's, I learned this by mistakes, but if you're going to sell to a broader audience or to an audience that has different currencies, try and pick the dollar one because it's quite huge and everyone knows it, and say it would be something around this. I did it for myself. I did it, I think, for the presets where I said, this is how much it would be approximately in dollars. So that they know that they can convert it into their own currency. And when they're landing on your page, if you're going to use Shopify, as I would recommend, they're going to see it in their own currency. So moving forwards, you're going to have a paid product. You're going to see the price. If you're still interested, click the specific button for it. And then they'll receive a link with the table of contents and more stuff, details about it. Now, I don't want to lose any lead. And because I don't want to lose any lead, I'm offering them another button saying not ready. This is not for you yet if you're not having an email list. If you're having an email list, I'll show it to you afterwards. Firstly, when they're clicking on the color grade manual, I have a randomizer with 25%, sending them the link plus a testimonial or review from someone that already bought it. So even before they reach the website itself where you're going to sell something, you already built trust with them. If you're not having any reviews, any testimonials, it's easy because from here, you drag this to only one message and you're going to send it to one, or you're going to send that specific message and that's it. You're going to say, hey, here's the link, here you go. And then they're going to go on the website and then decide if they would like to buy or not. Now, if you don't have any reviews, you click on the button that they would need to click and you drag and drop on one of the messages. You'll edit and you'll say, hey, here's what you get. Here you go. It's the link. And that's it. You delete this part with below is a testimonial and you remove the image from here. Now, if you do have testimonials, I suggest hitting with the randomizer, because if someone reaches your website or your automation and it triggers it, they receive a review. And then if they re-trigger the same automation after 2 weeks, because they still want that or they're still interested, but they maybe lost the link or anything, or forgot they commented on it, they're going to go comment again, and then they're going to jump and see the same comment or the same review, and it will be a bit, yeah, so you're using only one review. I'm not sure if this is true. If you're changing them, it builds trust. Now, after all of this, you want to have a smart delay with 5-6 hours. That's what I'm using. And asking them, hey, if you haven't grabbed the digital product, I value your input a ton. Now, what's the reason behind this is you want to know what people, which of the people that clicked and haven't bought it, what's the reason? Either they're coming from a country where the price is too high. Either you didn't offer enough information on the website, so they thought, yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to receive. So you want to have this, and people will reply to you and will tell you, hey, it's too high. Price is too high. If they're saying price is too high, it's fine. Maybe their power of purchasing in that specific country is not working, which is totally fine. If they're saying anything else, grab it as a feedback, and we can work with it, and we can see further on how we can improve the landing page that they're landing on, so that it converts better, so that you're offering more details to them and you can convince them a lot more easier. And that's it. Plus, the people that bought it most likely will come and tell you, hey, it was fucking amazing. Thanks. Now, one step back. For the ones that already have an email list, you're going to click to not ready, and you're going to redirect them to something that you're offering as a 7-day course or 30 days course or 40 days course, whatever. If you're having an email list, you need to be offering them something for free, so that you will redirect them from this specific automation to somewhere where they can grab something for free. And then in the email list, you'll also promote your own stuff like digital products. And they have more time to build, you have more time in the email list to build trust and relatability and confidence with them, that when you're doing the promotion in the emails, you're also going to grab them from there. So what I'm doing is I'm having not ready. You click it. It redirects you to this specific part where it's saying, hey, excited to learn more. The course that I'm having will be on the emails. Is that all right? They click, of course. We have some waiting periods that you can cut off. I'm going to say, hell yeah, I'm happy to find people. Okay. I'm going to grab their first name. What happens here is validation that the first name is the name and it's validated. Then if the contact hasn't responded, after a while I'm sending them a message, hey, are you not interested in this anymore? And if they say, yeah, I still am, yes, sure, it's coming back from it's coming back to the initiation here, and it's going to go through the automation again, so that they continue. Once you grab their first name, the automation will ask for the email address. Once the email address is asked, it's validated. Two things happen here. I'm using ConvertKit, or the new kit for my email list. In ConvertKit, I add them to a form automatically, so they can start receiving sequences that are in that form, and they receive them automatically day by day. Now I also add a tag to them to know where they came from. There's another condition, that this specific tag has an email. Once that is done, I'm having a message saying, hey, awesome, thank you for your email. This is what I'm doing. And then I'm waiting 10 seconds and sending them an automated voicemail. This is fucking a grail. When people receive a voice message, they connect to you a lot better and everything feels a lot more personal. Now, it doesn't matter that I'm sending a 30 seconds voice message, but I'm waiting in between these 10 seconds because nobody will check it. But after I implemented this, the leads and the trust that I built with the people went through the roof. Now, in order to do one of this, you would need to record your voice. Then you need to transform it from MP4, MP3, whatsoever to a WAV. You can do that through different tools online that you can transform them. And then Manychat allows you to upload it here. And that's it. So this is exactly the automation that I guided you through. You can just create your account on Manychat, go on this link, save to Manychat, and it will save to you your account and you can use it. And this is the second one that I'm using. And this one is for posts. So the difference is that one is for story and one replies when you have a post. Also, for the post, you want to do the same thing, have the same keywords, and also on all posts and reels. For this, you need Manychat Pro, but trust me, it's worth it from the beginning. To create Manychat account, I'll post in this. I'll leave here in the post. I'll leave the links to both of the automations and a link where you can sign up to Manychat. It's a referral code or referral link that you could use. And it would help me a lot if you would use that one. And you can just sign up and create your own account. And that's it. See you in the next one. Cheers.